to Erica and her mom. Erica's at work, Mom's here. So what am I going to do today? Well, I'm going to get back on track from when we well, let me back up a couple of weeks. So this past week, I was getting ready for our Passover Seder. So that meant cleaning, cooking, a little babysitting, a little this and that, getting everything going. All right, so that was for our Passover. So that was very important. So everything else kind of took a back seat to that. And the week before, I painted this really beautiful island in my kitchen, and I changed the hardware. So I changed all these from the gray that we had before, and I put the gold on. My coffee. And so that kept that week kind of busy. So I had 2 weeks to not get caught up because I was doing you remember I have 2 trains, so I was still, but somehow it got derailed. So I went off a little, of course, just a little bit as far as my daily routine. So I'm trying to get back to that now. We had Passover Seder Friday night, and then the next day was the Sabbath, and then the next day was Sunday. So during this time, right before the Passover Seder, I kind of sprained my ankle. So I was immobilized most of Saturday, and then Sunday, I was hobbling, but I was getting around, and then Monday, yesterday, much better, and then today. But we had to take our little dog, Sadie, she's a little 7-pound Chihuahua, had to take her to the vet yesterday, so that day was kind of messed up. And so today is my first day to be back to kind of normal without a big project going on. So what did I do to get back on schedule? I went and I found my Flylady notebook. Flylady, this is something I started to do in 2002. So it's been a long time. And the Flylady system, it's online. You can Google it. It goes through your house, your daily steps, what you need to do to get your house back in order. If you have a completely cluttered house, yeah, it will, and dirty. It'll take you from, if you've got piles of dishes and piles of laundry and every room is a mess, it'll take you through step by step and help you get through that so that you'll be able to just have normal daily routines. So I'm kind of at the normal daily routines because I have decluttered. So I went to see. Each week, she has everything laid out in weeks. Each week you have different tasks and different rooms. So if you don't know where to start and you kind of get off track with your cleaning routine, you just refer to Flylady and she'll have you back in order immediately. And what she says is you get dressed, you put your shoes on, and then you're ready to go for the day. I added the apron because I just feel like I'm a good cleaner when I'm dressed the part. So today was, like I said, each week. So you might have a bathroom and a bedroom, or the front area and a dining room, or just different combinations, and you can kind of make it your own, but the layout is so good. You shouldn't tamper with what is great. All right, so there's a master bedroom, detailed cleaning, closet detailed cleaning. I'm looking for bathroom because this week is in the bathroom. All right, here we go. Now, if you still have clutter, then you will go to a less detailed cleaning that allows you to declutter and clean less as you go, but I've got the declutter done, so I'm just completely in the cleaning. And so it says to wash your area rugs. Great. Scrub and wax the floor. So I could mop the floors. I don't wax my floors, but I could mop my floors, and I could wash the area rugs, straighten your drawers and your cabinets. So just take a quick peek through there, straighten anything out, throw away something real quickly. Clean your shower stall. And and wax. So she says to wax your walls of your shower. I don't really need to clean those shower stalls because no one uses the 2 bathrooms that I'm going to be working on today. But I will rinse them out and get the dust out and everything like that. Wash your shower door. Again, I don't have a shower door. I have shower curtains, which I could take down and wash if I needed to. Clean your medicine cabinet. Neither of those bathrooms have medicine cabinets in them. They just have mirrors on the wall, but they have drawers, so I'll go through the drawers. And clean your scale. I don't have a weigh scale in those bathrooms, but in my master bathroom, I have 2. So that kind of makes up for it, right? And throw away any empty bottles. So if I have any empty soap bottles or anything, normally I refill those. I don't throw them away and I reuse them. But that gives me a place to go, something specific to clean, and I can, you know, make that room. Her list might not be exactly what I need, but her list is so good, I wouldn't try to deviate from it. If I have those things in my room, I would clean them, and if I don't, I will substitute something else. And so then, and 1 extra room. So here's what you would do in 1 extra room. Like I could use one of our offices because I don't have extra bedrooms. Polish furniture, straighten drawers and closet, clean cobwebs. Good one. Wash your mattress pads or dust rug, flip mattress, wash curtains, wash windows, clean bathtub. Before you get scared from all that I just read, you don't have to do that every time, and you don't have to do that if you have a lot of clutter, and you don't have to do that if you don't need to, because I don't have those things in that room. Now you're only going to come back to this once a month, so you won't be in this area doing this. This is a very deep, deep cleaning. So that happens just once a month. Each month is separated by, or divided into weeks. And so this won't come around again for another month. And it wouldn't need to be done again in another month. But you could go through and, you know, clean your toilets and wipe your sink. So that's, which is another part of her other daily cleaning. She has a daily routine that we would do. But right now, I'm getting back into getting everything done. And I know that in 1 month, everything's going to be done again and ready to start the next month. So anyway, I just wanted to let you know how I get back on track when I've had some delays. And I'm just really excited. And for today, I brought up my pretty coffee cup because I thought, you know what, a cup this pretty deserves a clean house. So I'm using this one today. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you're inspired to get your decluttering going, get your house clean. Go to some of, I know those towels are not straight. I can see that in the camera, and yeah. Anyway, so I'm not going to obsess over that, but I will straighten it. Anyway, so I've had a great time just sharing. It's inspiring to me when I tell you what I'm gonna do, because then I have to go do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and, but I recommend, see, I don't know if you can see this, but if you could see the date, it says 2002. So Flylady, I've been with you for a long time, and I really appreciate the work you've put in to what you're doing to make my life better. Thank you. Well, bye everybody. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching Erica and her mom. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Where are you gonna start today? Have a great day. Bless you.